Hola guys, it's me, Sortiés, your favorite Namibian YouTuber, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are like the first time viewers, hi, welcome. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, do the most. And thank you so much, you guys, for adding, I think, 3 new subscribers to my YouTube channel. I'm really grateful. So please keep supporting, keep subscribing, keep liking, keep viewing my videos. So, as you read from the title today, I'm gonna be yo from the title. I'm gonna be turning my C4 hair, well, into like curls. These are not the curls, by the way. I just undid my hair, so yeah, I need to comb this and do everything. By the way, guys, you need to make sure you watch the video from A to Z, okay? Because I'm gonna be telling you everything that is required in order for your hair to turn out perfect. Okay, if you don't watch the whole video, you're gonna be blaming me at the end of the day, like, oh, you gave us wrong advice. No, watch the whole video, okay? Watch the process, trust it, okay? Thank you. Thing is really terrible, and my tripod, unfortunately, it broke, so I don't really know how or where to place you, but I hope you can see. I'm just gonna detangle my hair. And by the way, it's been 2 weeks of me in these braids, and I haven't washed my hair since. Okay, yes, it really smells like fire ever since that whole village situation. But yeah, let me just detangle this hair, and then I think I'll yeah, I think I'll see I'll vlog later after detangling the hair, because now I have to be here. Yeah, so I am done combing out my hair. As you can see, this is my afro. This is how it looks like. I know it's a lot to process, but yeah, this is genuinely my hair. Anyways, after I comb my hair, this is the amount of hair that I lost. So it's been 2 weeks since I washed my hair, and this is a very important step, guys. Like, your hair, I don't not necessarily has to be dirty, but it yeah, I think has to be dirty in order for you to apply this hair product. Let me just show you guys the hair products that I am gonna use. So before we actually continue with this video, let me just clarify one thing. You see yourselves, right? Let me clarify one thing. The hair, okay, the results of the hair is gonna be different compared to your hair texture or your I don't know, the thickness of your hair. It just depends, man. Because don't go compare your hair with my hair, because my hair is thick and is really tough. Shwambo, you call them Ndumehwiki or something. I think someone said Omandume or whatever. But yes, that's my hair. So if you genuinely have already soft hair, I don't know what's gonna happen, but this is for people with really tough, really thick, tough hair. Like, this is what you need to apply in order for you to just to get rid of them. So these are the hair products that you're gonna be using, and the hair equipment tools. I don't know, the things, the hair thingies, the things, yes, that you're gonna need. So I got my conditioner here, I got my shampoo, and this is the special ingredient. This is the natural hair relaxer by Softnfree. This is the one that we're gonna be using. This is not sponsored, by the way. So yeah, so I got my afro. Yeah, and then we have this one. So I bought two because of my hair. Like, you guys have seen my head. My head is big and my hair is a lot. So you buy like, you just buy it depending on how much hair you have on your head. And this is their moisturizer, Dentraf hair food. You're gonna need this as well. So yes, let's start the process. So here we start off by splitting your hair into 4 equal sizes. I preferably do 4 because I have a huge ass head. as you guys have seen. So it depends on how big your head is or how thick your hair is. Yeah, and just like that, you can see like she's splitting them into 4. And I have a huge head, guys. I really have a huge head. So yeah, you see how difficult it was. She split them into 4. I'm so sorry about the lighting. It was a whole disaster, guys, but yeah, I hope you can see clearly. So after she split my hair into 4 equal parts, as you can see, she's applying the hair food right on the middle line, like through the lines and even across the face. You guys, you have to do this. This will stop you from burning. It will stop you from burning from the hair relaxer. So this is a really crucial part. You can use any type of hair food or Vaseline if you have, just as long as you apply it to reduce or help you not burn from the hair. So it's time to start applying the hair relaxer. As you can see, you start from the front face. I don't know, some people can choose from the back, but I think you should start from the back because no, never mind, you should start from the front because the front is the most important part. That's what people look at before they see your back. So you should start from the front. Make sure it looks good. So just make sure you apply it thoroughly as she's doing. You have to make sure you get in between as well, because you cannot just put on top. You have to make sure it's in there, okay? Inside out, through and through. Make sure it's in there so you get the good results. Oi, ibu. Onde a oia mangipio. So yeah, this is how it looks like, guys. Let me just quickly, I don't know, it's burning, né? It's burning. So I gotta wash this out. This is how it looks like currently. As you can see, it looks flat and everything, yada da da. I'm gonna wash this out now because it hurts. I'm in pain. So we're gonna be using this shampoo by Softnfree. It comes with the hair relaxer. I don't know if I actually mentioned this, but it does come with a hair relaxer, okay? And this is the one you need to use for the best results. I don't know, they probably have something in there that will help activate curls or something. these are the results, by the way. So my hair is currently wet. Once it dries up, it's gonna shrink, obviously, and then yeah, I'll show you the results later. But yeah, this is after the whole process. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Yeah, but anyways, curls are active. So it took me approximately like 10 to, yeah, 10 to, okay, so this time around I did not take too long in the relaxer because I didn't want my hair too soft. So this was like approximately 10 minutes, if I'm not mistaken, 10 to 11, 12 minutes there. So if you want it curlier or softer, it depends on how tough your hair is. Then you will see. Thank you. Anyways, I just hope this video was really helpful, and oh damn, I'm feeling myself, honestly. But anyways, so this is after my hair is dry. I did comb my hair. As you can tell, it still has that naturalness, it still has the afro to it, but now my hair is like stretchable, perfectly fine. Like the curls are still there, although I didn't stay too long in the relaxer. That's why they're not really super okay, but I think you can see like the curls, they're still there. But yeah, my afro is still here. If I want, I can still wash the hair, it will still curl up. Yeah. Okay, so this will be the end of the video. Thank you so much. I hope it helped. And yeah, see you next time. I'm feeling myself.